What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on what are the best CPA offers to promote in 2019, or pretty much, well, whenever you see this video. This is going to be the best CPA offers to promote, and it's not going to be in any particular niche or anything along those lines. So this is what I call the 1, 2, 3 method. So this is like what 99% of marketers are doing. All right, so they make their landing page here. Then they send it to the offer, which is normally another landing page here. And then from there, that's when it goes to the offer. All right. So this right here is a huge step, right? Because it's extra stuff that people have to do. And then, 9 out of 10, obviously, or 10 out of 10, you got to have your traffic source. So you got people doing basically 4 things at this point, and normally you're going to get paid on this part right here. So the goal is to get to this part right here as quickly as possible. So you got your traffic source right here where they had to click a button or read your post or whatever, right? Then from here, they went to your landing page where they had to watch a video or enter their email or click another button, right? And then from here, they got to do the same exact thing, watch a video, enter their email, click the button, and then that's when you get paid over here. Let's say they fill out another couple of forms or whatever, right? So the goal is to get them to this part right here quickly as possible, right? So just eliminating one step, literally just one step, can make you a crap ton of money. So what you want to do is, see if you can get this landing page here. All right, if you can get this landing page right here, you're pretty much good to go. So you can take this, your landing page, and build it on on BMO pages, and then have it go directly to the offer. So basically, what you want to do, instead of having your own landing page, you want to take their landing page and direct link it. Is that, if that makes sense to you guys, right? So instead of you creating your landing page to send to another landing page, you simply cut out your landing page here and you simply use their landing page. Now, the problem with this is that you can't use their landing page with the links that are with the CPA networks. Pretty much nothing will accept CPA networks, which means you have to create the website by scratch, right? So once you create the website by scratch, you're going to have your own unique, domain. And that's the whole thing. You got your whole www dot blah, 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 whatever your domain is. And then that's when you can have it go directly to the CPA. That can go directly to the CPA offer. Now, the best part about this is that, this page here has already been tested. They know that it's making thousands of dollars. They're getting however many clicks every single month. They're tweaking, they're testing, they got new pages that they put up, all of that fun stuff, right? So now it's just simply traffic source. Basically, this is just the offer here, all right? So now it's basically you're taking it and you're literally sending it from the traffic source to the offer page. That's pretty much what you're doing. So instead of, a 1, 2, 3 method, you're basically just doing a 1, 2 method. And literally, guys, just one step can take a campaign from doing negative ROI all the way until, the green. And it's literally just that simple. So very simple process. That's pretty much it. I know this is seems like a very simple method or a very simple tip or whatever, but I kid you not, guys, there are so many people doing the 1, 2, 3 method, and it's just, even though it doesn't seem like it's like a whole bunch of extra work, like you just have to put in your email twice, that's a lot of work to a regular typical person, or to anyone, like if you go and put your email in over here, you watch a video right here, you might got things to do, you might be at work, they might be doing this, they might be doing all of this stuff here, when they could simply just go directly basically to the landing page of the offer and then get sold or purchase or whatever they need to do. It's just a straight simple process. You just cut this out. And the best part about you having this landing page here, you can put your own email stuff on here, so you can still capture the email and then send them over here. So very, very, very simple process, right? Again, make sure you jump over here to BMO pages, guys. I have a bunch of pages, that are literally already done up for you guys, so you don't even have to create them from scratch or anything along those lines. You simply just, replaces your CPA offer link with the CPA offer link or whatever, wherever the button is, and then you just simply start promoting the page. Super simple stuff. That is pretty much it. Again, this does not work with every single offer. It would work if the CPA network gave you the option to do it, but not every CPA network gives you the option of getting direct links. Also, this does not really work with CPLs. Unless you can get it where, again, it's direct. It just basically just works with anything that'll let you direct link. With the CPL, you're basically, no matter what you do for that, you're pretty much going to need a landing page to send to another landing page, So that's the downfall with CPL. So like this, there really isn't a way around it with a CPL. Unless you can go to the advertiser directly or something like that. But like with that CPA URL, there really isn't anywhere you can promote directly. Not to mention, if you promote directly and you don't know how to cloak where you're getting your traffic from, the advertiser can literally just go right to your traffic source and start running traffic to it, or the CPA network, affiliate manager or whoever can go right to the traffic source and then literally just hand your shit out to everybody like it's fucking candy. So that is the downfall with CPLs when it comes to this method here. There really isn't a way to run CPLs, like this, But that is pretty much it. I mean, you can have like a pre-sale page, like a regular pre-sale page. Like, let's say, well, I guess it depends on what type of lead it is. Like, if you needed to, like, let's say it was like a form, like where they need their name, phone number, address, something like that, then that one you can do. But if it's just like a straight up email, and then you have an email here, it's like, but again, that's pretty much it, damn. I know there's something else. I always get to the end of the video, and I know there's something I'm forgetting. I really start writing this stuff down. But hopefully this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely make sure you guys go over here on BMO Pages. Tons and tons of those pages that I was just talking about already had developers make them. So literally all you got to do is replace your CPA link with my CPA link or whatever the link is there. Just replace it and then simply start sending traffic to it, and boom, you don't even have to build it from scratch. Already done for you.